Features of Python: simple, easy to learn, high-level language, dynamically typed, open source. Simple. Python is a simple programming language. When we read a Python program, we feel like reading English sentences. Hence, developing and understanding programs will become easy. Easy to learn. Python uses very few keywords. Its program use very simple structure. So developing programs in Python becomes easy. High-level language. Programming languages are of two types, low-level and high-level. High-level languages use English words to develop program. These are easy to learn and use. Example: COBOL, PHP, Java, Python. Dynamically typed. In Python, we need not declare anything. An assignment statement binds a name to an object. And the object can be of any type. Open source. There is no need to pay for Python software. Python can be freely downloaded from its website. Its source code can be read, modified and can be used in programs as desired by the programmers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.